Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Lock Cylinder installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be a medium repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 1 hour to complete. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the negative battery cable before beginning the installation. Begin the installation by first removing the upper column shroud by gently prying it apart from lower shroud using a plastic trim tool. Note: column shroud removal process may vary among models. Next, begin to remove ignition lock by turning the key to the accessory position. Then, using a small screwdriver or suitable tool, press in lock cylinder release tab and pull the lock from the column. First, remove the clip from the end of the cylinder. The cylinder will now come out from the opposite end. Note: there are two original lock cylinder designs. You may need to remove the original by making sure the tool is fully seated. Insert the key approximately 1/3 to 1/2 way into the cylinder and rotate clockwise. The cylinder now can be pulled out of the case. The cylinder will come out of the opposite end from the keyhole. Next, pry off the tumbler cover with a small screwdriver. Then remove the tumblers individually using needle nose pliers. Begin from the end where the keyhole is located. Arrange them in the same order in which they were removed on a level and stable surface. It is important to keep the order of the tumblers as they were in the cylinder. If the order is mixed up, the lock will not work. Each tumbler is stamped with a number. For extra precautionary measure, record the numbers in the same order onto a piece of paper or the template provided. The replacement lock cylinder will have the same configuration of internal parts as the second design lock cylinder. The tumblers will appear different from the first to second design. This will not affect the operation of the lock cylinder, as the new lock will be coded to your original key. Begin by inserting a tumbler spring in the slot. The new tumblers will have numbers stamped on them as the originals. Insert the new tumblers individually following the same sequence of numbers as the ones in the old lock cylinder. Repeat this process until all the tumblers are installed in their respective slots. Next, using the packet provided, coat the cylinder with a thin layer of grease before installing into the case. Align the cylinder with the case, ensuring that the protrusion on the cylinder aligns with the groove in the case. Insert the cylinder into the case. Tuck the tumblers in as you push the cylinder into the case. If you are unable to fully seat the cylinder, rotate the keyhole cap clockwise until you can fully seat the cylinder in the case. Install the clip onto the cylinder as shown. The new lock is now coded to your original key. To complete the repair, install the new lock cylinder into the lock housing. The installation is now complete.